Got some pretty views of the lake. If we didn't have the lake right there in the sundown and all that, we wouldn't be able to see anything. I know this GoPro isn't the best on low light. Maybe it is, and I just can't figure it out. What are you looking at? That is pretty. Very pretty. Well, howdy folks. Michelle here. On Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. Special guest, Michelle.
Quit.
And we are at Dutchman Lake on date night. Usually we ride bikes on date night, but it's chilly. And we probably could have rode today, but we decided to go see what the waterfalls look like. They might not be so active, but it's all right. We're gonna have fun and enjoy our time together, right?
Yep.
A little bit of creek for you. however you desire it. Creek. Yep, freeway, highway, interstate, tomato. Or yucca-zucca, you know.
That's just wrong.
Check out that pool. That's pretty cool. It's a cool pool. Make sure that is as clean as I can get it. Yep, that's a cool pool. Try to get over here safe. Check that out. It's running a little bit better than I thought it would be. Cool area, I do say. Very cool area. Very pretty. Do say. There's Michelle. Bluffage 360. Hey. Say hi. I got you on camera.
Yeah.
Candid camera.
That footage might be lost.
There's Michelle by the fall. All right, folks, edging the bluff line, but hopefully you can kind of see the steepness of it and that pretty good little canyon there down below. So staying on top first, then we'll get on the bottom, make our way back to the trail to get out, and that should get us to our vehicles probably right about dark. So look at that. It's cool, isn't it? A little too cool for school right there. Too cool for virtual school. All the teachers are gonna hunt me down. I'm telling everyone what's cooler than virtual school. Everyone needs a dork in their life, so I'll be your dork. Cool creek. Beautiful during fall. The leaves are starting to fall, you know, and DNR says this is the last weekend for color. Probably is. Nice little pretty bluff line here. Bluffage. Little shelter. Look at that bluffage. If I don't watch where I'm going, I'm gonna face plant into the bluffage. Be part of the bluffage. One more final glimpse of the sunset over Dutchman Lake. They say this is a really good lake to come to when it's frozen, because I guess it does a lot of ice cracking. Makes a lot of noise. So have to come here and check it out at night when everything's calm. But hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thanks again for watching another episode of Hiking with Shawn. And until next time, Michelle, we'll see you on the trail. There she is.
Oh, look at that spider.
Oh, she found a spider.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. I guess I'll keep the camera rolling. Oh, you see that heart?
I took the picture. That's why I was
Okay.
taking a picture of Goofball.
Goofball.
Look at all of those fossils. You see them?
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Mm-hmm. Fishing spider.
Fishing spider.
Mm-hmm.
Doing some fishing. Doing some fishing. He's like, get that light out of my face. I can't see the fish.
Oh, good Lord.